my glamour squad, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanisha, as you all know, and my channel is Glamorous Mimi. Yes, I'm back with another video. So you already aware that title and thumbnail, how to make labels. Before we get into that video, this video today, make sure you subscribe to my channel, turn that notification bell on so you won't miss any videos I post, and follow all my social media and including my Instagram, my two Instagram, my personal and my business Instagram, Mimi Glam Beauty, and my personal Instagram, Glamorous Mimi. Of course, the Glamorous doll is here. Yes. So do all of that and follow me on Snapchat and Twitter as well. So I'll be posting on that. So you gotta make you gotta advertise yourself when you having a small business. You gotta advertise yourself, because if you don't, you ain't gonna get many customers. So let's not get into that. Let's not get into that. So you read it. Thumbnail is how to make labels, and I want to make this video to people who don't know how to make labels for themselves, or just don't know how to print off little labels to put on that packaging so they can know who it's from. So I use mine to put on my polymetals. As you already know, I use this to send out to my people. You can put it on the front or back, it don't matter. I just got two, a small one and a big one. So in case somebody with a big order wants this, I just put my label on front so they know who it's from. It's from me, Glam Beauty. So just in case y'all wondering what lashes I'm wearing today, I'm wearing out of my collection Feisty. Feisty's on sale for $7, and I'm having a sale for 20% off. Today is Monday, and the 17th of February, and I'm having a 20% off on 3D mink lashes and lip gloss. So let me get a close up from Feisty. And Feisty is on sale for $7. Please go purchase, make your purchase. It's 20% off today and the rest of the week. So if I were you, I was good. Go ahead and buy it. Ain't no wasting time. Go ahead and buy it. Try my lashes out and just get with the program and get with Mimi Glam Beauty. Yes. Just a natural beat today. Yeah, so let's get into this video. So I have this clear, I'm sorry that my lighting is so bright. I have this called the address labels, and the address labels were for my lip gloss. Apparently this is too big, so we're not gonna work with this today. So we're gonna just put that to a side because it's too big. It's very too big for my my lip glosses, so I'm not gonna work with that. The main two I wanna work with today is my label when I ship out to people. Just covering it up a little bit. I put this on the front of the packaging. My address is up there, so I put it on in front of the to and from, for if somebody order for me and like not far from a county for me and stuff like that. I just like to send it off like this, or it's like if it's somebody who's way far away, like I will print a shipping label just to know it's proof that it's from me. So this is I'm just showing two different labels, and I got another one that, as I said before in the video, to put on the packaging so you know who it's from. So the company name, my company name, and all that. So yeah, so let's get into it. I got my printer beside me. As y'all can see, I got my printer beside me, and this printer is the Canon Pixma. I saw it on Black Friday last year for $19. and I didn't get it for $19. So I paid full price because around the time I wanted to get it, I was having surgery. So I was so drugged up, and I put in my cart for Black Friday, and I forgot it. Nope, not Black Friday, during Christmas sale, and I put in my cart. I was admitted to the hospital. I got a surgery, and I was in my room, and I forgot to check it out for $19. So you know how it is when a couple days go by, it go back up to the original price, and I bought it for the original price. So long story short, I paid the money for this. It wasn't $19. So I got my printer on, and I'm just gonna show you how I print the labels, so stay tuned. So we're gonna start out with this, and what you wanna do is go to Avery.com and put in this number 15264, and you're gonna go to a template and put this number in so you can have the right template, so you won't get it wrong. So what I did, I went to Avery.com. So we're gonna go to Avery.com, and we are already on Avery.com, and you wanna enter that, find a template and enter 15264, and we're gonna go to menu right here, menu, templates, find template. We're gonna enter the template number as we said before, 15264. It's a 3.5 by 4. Excuse me, y'all. This is a complicated position. I'm in my room. I'm trying to make things work. So we're gonna hit that. We're gonna hit start designing. You're gonna hit that, select, and you're gonna start designing. So I'm not gonna start designing. I'm just gonna go to my drive because I save everything in my drive. It's best to. So I'm gonna go home and hit my drive, and we're gonna start print this to and from. This black spot is cause I block everything out because my address is up there. So yeah, I didn't want anybody to see my address, so I'm gonna print this, and we're gonna go to the dots up top in your drive, and we're gonna scroll down and find print, and we're gonna air print. It's already connected to my printer, and I'm gonna hit print, and the paper already in there, so we're gonna watch. And voila, it's done. So we're gonna move on to the next thing. The next thing we're gonna design is this. It's a sticker to put on your polymer so your customer know who it's from. So you always want to do this. I like to get creative with my stuff, but this is like what I do. I'm sorry this video may not be interesting to you. This is interesting to me because I just learned how to do labels and stuff like that, and I want to show what I do. And the next thing we're going to do is like the self-adhesive shipping label. This is not Avery, but it's something like Avery. So you can use it. It tells you what temperature to use on Avery, and this is 18163. So it's a 2x4. So we're gonna just get into it. Okay, we're gonna do the same thing as we did before, and we're gonna go to menu, find templates, find templates, and enter the number. I forgot the number. Let me go a little back. Oh, this is a credit. little space. 18163. It's 2x4. Yes, it's 2x4. Like I said before, it's 2x4. And we're gonna start designing. And we're gonna select that. It's like I said before, I already pre-made mine, so to make the video a little shorter. So I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna drive, and this is 10 we're gonna do. And so we're gonna go to the 3 little dots up here, scroll down, and find print. We're gonna hit air print. One copy is already in that. Print. Let's donate. And it's created. So this is how you print labels and name tags. So this is the end of my video. Sorry, the video is kind of shaky and very tight. I'm in a tight position. This is my beauty room, my studio, my bedroom, and all that mixed in one. So I'm sorry, and I just did the best I could. And this is what I like to print labels. If you have not done so before, my labels came out perfect. And let me show you, because you can fold this. It has the perforated lines, and you can split them in half. You can split it in half. You can also split them in half, and the little sticky thing was come up, so you can split them in half if you like to. Let me just take this off because it's already off. So yeah, you can do that as well. So you can split them in half and just take the sticker off and put it right on your label. I mean, right on your package. Just take the sticker off and just peel it off like this, and just put it on your polymer and just send it out to your customers. Now for the address label, it's the same way, but this my address up there is folded in half, and you can tear it. Just be careful when you start it tearing, because you don't want to mess it up, because this paper is kind of thick. Yeah, you don't want to mess your label up. Just take your time and just do it. So it comes in here like this. Yeah. So this is the end of my video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. Please subscribe to my channel. Turn that notification bell on so you won't miss any videos I post and upload. And follow all my social media, including my personal Instagram and my business Instagram, Mimi Glam Beauty and Glamorous Mimi. And I see y'all beauties and Glamour Squad in the next video. Bye.